This week at Rustic Rehabs, we did some good thrifting, but we also made a rookie mistake. So stick around to the end to see what it was. It's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. It's Monday. It's kind of gorgeous in the 40s. The sun is out and I was running some errands. I've got a dresser that it picked up in the back, a Bissell Crosswave. I can't get too much because I have nowhere to put it. So let's see what we can find for spring. This week, Southeast Wisconsin Goodwills were having a BOGO sale, which I was so excited about. It means you buy one thing and get the second thing of lesser value free. Before I started this business, I used to do a lot of couponing, so I am very familiar with how to shop well, and a BOGO deal is one of our favorites. So I scored some cute art right away. This one was $10, the other one was $5, so my girl math was the $5 one was free. You with me so far? Stick around to the end to see my rookie mistake though, as I filled up my cart today. This little picture was originally from Target, is $1.99, so in the cart it went. I'm a sucker for Bambi. Look at this cute cutout of Bambi, Thumper, and Flower. That was like maybe $2. And then these little chunky standalones, they were $1 each. This little burgundy canvas was, I think, $4. I can't see it. I can't remember. Lots of lamps and lampshades today, but none for me. These sweet little bunnies are battery operated. We just gave them a little update and they'll be available this week. This deer is so good. I will put him away till Christmas time. This was cute, but I decided I had a whole bunch of them put away somewhere. This gorgeous color reminds me of a new color from DIY called Honey. DIY just released 5 new colors and they are all so good. Make sure to check out my website or come on in. This little copper situation could be a really good centerpiece, but I passed this time. Somebody put a lot of work. I think this is a corn husk angel. Have you ever made a corn husk doll? I remember my mom having one when I was little and I would play with it. And she'd be like, "Don't play with it, you're gonna break it." That's the voice we use in my family when we imitate each other. I get it from my mom's sisters. This little jewelry box turned out so good. Let me show you. I worked on it live and used the new plaster color from DIY. It's a cottage color, one step. You don't have to sand, strip, or prime, you just clean. And then we added this gorgeous transfer from Prima. It's so good. The blue and the birds, whatever I add it to, I absolutely fall in love with. You can get some because I just got more in yesterday. So hit up my website or come on in. I think this thing is supposed to be like a German doorbell. I remember my boyfriend in high school's mom always had this on her door, but I didn't like the heart, so we left it. Isn't it weird how certain things stick out at you? Because I remember I would always go over there after I was done waitressing and it was really late, and I would try to not make that thing ring. Isn't that funny? These little shelves were cute. They're just kind of cheap, so I left them. So take note, I got 2 of these each for $2 and then 11 bottles for 99 cents each because I wanted to do this. These bottles were a perfect fit to turn this into a flight of bud vases. I love it so much. And this candlestick came with a whole bunch of cat hair, but I think I'm going to turn it into a planter. So we'll have to stick around till next week for that. I loved the color and the pattern on this. I think it was originally from Boston store, this pail. So we're going to use that for spring, summer. That I want to put some pots in for flower pots. This I grabbed because who doesn't love Ariel? And the musical for the high school is coming up, and it is Little Mermaid. My daughter Maddie is the prop master, and several of her friends are in this. It's going to be so good. Make sure to go see it. It is a really great way to take some kiddos, grandkids, and they really do a good job. The kids work so hard. All right, this wooden troll / gnome, yay or nay on this? I know somebody will like it, so I picked it up. It's not really my jam, but sometimes you got to buy things that you know that someone will love. Janine taught me that on my team. A blingy pumpkin and some different kind of nutcrackers for fall rounded out our trip today. So did you catch my rookie mistake? By adding those 11 things that were 99 cents each, that's what I got free. That's not a bad deal. It's just I was thinking I was going to get some expensive things free. It's still a lot of great stuff for 80 some bucks, so we'll keep at it. In case you missed these updates, we went to Frankie's in Thiensville this week. Shopping local means sometimes I'll deliver it across the street on a dolly. Kathy bought Rebecca, and it looks stunning in her home. We painted and decoupaged this for my friend Christina. She's giving it to her niece. It's so adorable. And Kathy and I are working on a plan for these beauties. I like to keep it real at Rustic Rehabs, and we like to be busy, and our favorite is when you keep us real busy. We will see you next time. Take good care.